Many developers think that ASO is just selecting some keywords. That is not entirely true. ASO mainly depends on two components. First one is app visibility, second one is conversion. Let me explain each of them to you in detail. App visibility simply means how many people can see your app in the App Store. In other words, it is the number of views your app gets in the App Store each day. In general, users typically don't search for an app by its app name, unless it is very famous one like Facebook or Twitter. They usually search with the keywords like board game or dating app, something like that. If your app is in the top 10 search results for those keywords, there is a high chance that they would download your app. The main factors that influence app visibility are app title, keywords, localization, and few others like reviews, ratings, app downloads, engagement, and developer name. I will walk you through each and every one of these in great detail in the next section. For now, let's move to the second component of ASO, that is conversion. Conversion simply means how many downloads your app has been getting from your App Store views. In other words, if everyone looking at your app in the App Store downloads your app, the conversion rate is set to be 100%. Main factors influencing conversion are app icon, description, screenshots, video, reviews and ratings, and developer name. Please remember that the last two factors in this list, reviews, ratings, and developer name, also influence app visibility.